Hello friends, welcome to the toothcorner.com videos. Today let us see how your cooking oil, olive oil, may be very good for your skin. Let us see how to prepare a scrub or a mask to keep your skin free from marks and pigmentation. Let us begin. Olive oil, an extract from olives, a staple food in the Mediterranean diet, has many benefits on consumption and is equally beneficial when you apply it on your hair and skin. Olive oil is an essential ingredient present in body wash, moisturizer, soap, body wash, as well as it can be used on the skin in different ways. It may be used as a moisturizer and after sun treatment. You may apply olive oil after exposure from the sun or directly to the skin before blotting off excessive oil. You may also use it on the damp skin to avoid the greasy feeling of the oil. It is used as an exfoliator. Make a scrub with olive oil and sea salt and apply gently on face and body. It is good in treating dry or scaly skin. You may alternately apply fine grains of salt for the face and other sensitive areas, whereas apply coarse grains on the other parts of the body. It is used as an eye makeup remover. Olive oil is good to remove the eye makeup by taking a few drops in a cotton ball and slowly wipe around the eye area. It is used in a face mask. Olive oil, when mixes with oat, egg white and honey, helps in softening and hydrating the face. It is used as a wrinkle treatment. The antioxidants present in olive oil may help in reducing aging skin and wrinkles. You may use the oil by dabbing around the eye area at night or use it after sun exposure. It is used as a scar oil. The presence of vitamins and antioxidants in the olive oil helps in removing the scars and helps to regenerate your skin. You may mix oil with lemon juice to treat skin hyperpigmentation when the skin darkens due to scarring. Lastly, it is used as a stretch mark remover. You may use olive oil to prevent stretch marks on the skin. On the contrary, some people are allergic to oils, so it is not the best option for everyone. You may do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying olive oil to your face. I hope the information was beneficial for you and may start using olive oil as never before. Thank you.